Hi everyone, welcome to Tarot with Rasika Jadhav. To claim the positive guidance of this message, affirm I claim in the comment box. And if you are new to my channel or if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel for daily guidance and much more. Come, let's see what your guidance is for today, what card comes up for you today. The card of the day is King of Cups. Now, tell me, are you planning to start a business or get into a venture as a partner with somebody? And are you unsure whether you should go ahead with it or not? Is there any kind of confusion around this in your mind? Well, with this card today, universe is guiding you that it's time now to take charge of your life. If you are in a habit of seeking validation from others or people who are very close to you for all the decisions that you make or have been making till now, then this card today indicates that you need to start trusting your decision making capabilities and take all your decisions by your own self without feeling the need to get them validated by anyone else. This card is a very positive card when it comes to people who are into any kind of business and is a sign that the business you are into will flourish and grow well. For the ones who are wanting to start a business and are unsure if they should get into it or not, this is your sign from the universe to go ahead and do what your heart says is right. Understand that while taking this decision, you might go through an emotional imbalance or you might be restless as you might feel excited as well as anxious both at the same time. But know that this feeling will be very temporary and that you will start feeling 100% confident about everything once you dive into it. You'll also start seeing a way ahead once you begin your journey. The guidance this card gets along is also to go with the flow and not overthink things. If you're someone who's looking out for a partner to get married, then the chances are that you might meet a potential match who might be a businessman or someone who wishes to be one someday. Overall, the day will be good, but you might experience some emotional highs or lows or both throughout the day. Have a blessed day.